name is Jason Jenkins. I'm the National Account Acquisition Manager here at USAT Corp. And I have John here with me, and we're on the USAT hot seat. So John, why don't you tell me a little bit about your role and responsibility here at USAT?
Sure, absolutely. So I'm a inside sales executive, and I work with first responders in regards to their in-vehicle network connection and IoT infrastructure.
Okay, and what's your favorite part about working here at USAT?
Connecting with people. I actually enjoy speaking on the phone and trying to penetrate accounts and grow business.
Great. And what would you say is your favorite part about your job?
Well, definitely enjoy working with people. I have to say that's something I really enjoy, and I have an absolutely fantastic team to be on. So.
Great. And what vertical would you say you spend most of your time on right now?
Right now, I'm currently within public safety.
Okay. And what geographic territory are you in?
Yeah, I cover the Southwest, which entails Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona.
Great. And let's get into a little bit about you. So what's your favorite TV show?
Well, I got a few, but I would say right now, currently, I would have to say Peaky Blinders, which is a BBC show. Takes back in the 20s, after World War II. And yeah, that's probably my favorite one right now.
Where's Game of Thrones?
Considering I've never seen it, I would say it's at the bottom.
Fantastic. So what's your favorite type of food?
Favorite type of food? Well, I'm gonna have to say any and all facets of Asian food. So that's sushi, pho, whatever it may be. But yeah,
can't be good sushi.
Can be good sushi.
So talk to me a little about your hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time?
Sure, absolutely. So I love to root for the Carolina Hurricanes. Go Canes! And when I'm not doing that, I'm trying to be outdoors, hiking, fishing. And if it's a pretty bad weather day, I'll hang out with friends and play video games and tabletop games. So.
Nice. Well, John, thank you for your time. You're officially off the USAT hot seat.
All right.